the storm arriving soon, city employees are working around the clock and are urging residents to prepare for before and after the worst. Nakaya Carrero has the details.
Public Works is working alongside the fire and police department to make sure to clear the roads in case of an emergency. With the snow expected to roll in this evening, things like power outages are possible.
In the event that you do have a down power line in your area, in your neighborhood, stay away from it and alert the electrical or utility company if you see something, and emergency services.
The fire marshal informs us of measures you should take in case of a power outage. Keep your refrigerators and freezers closed. Disconnect appliances and electronics to avoid damage from electrical surges. Plan for alternatives for refrigerated medicines or power-dependent medical devices. Do not use your stove to heat your home, and only use generators outside and away from windows.
We want to avoid carbon dioxide building up inside the home. That could definitely be a health and life hazard.
The Public Works Department has been preparing for several days to make sure all the equipment is up and running.
We canceled everybody's vacation time. We set up a schedule. The guys are scheduled now to work 12-hour shifts.
Glass says a big priority is to keep snow emergency routes clear for emergency crews to travel.
As long as it's blowing and the streets are blocked, we're just going to work on our emergency routes and keep them open so emergency services can move from one end of town to another and through the hospitals.
They constantly update what streets are having snow removal done at that moment. Reporting for KX News in Bismarck, this is Nakaya Carrero.
And for more on the continuing storm system that we're following, you can download our free KX News and our Storm Team apps.